Good afternoon, guys. Let's see in the Plusivo Soldering Iron Kit with Multimeter package, what all stuffs are included, right? So we get one piece adjustable temperature soldering iron. As you can see here is a yes, very small dial. I find it difficult to read the small numbers in the dial, but it looks like they are from 200 to 450. So 200 to 50, it goes up in the increment of 50 and up to 450 degrees Celsius. All right, comes with a nice cover. This is the tip. Next, it comes with the soldering iron stand, which is this. One piece mini foam sponge, which is this. Mini waste stripper tool, as this. One piece tin wire soldering tube. Where is that? Yeah, this is it. One piece desoldering pump, which is this one. Basically, you charge it. Let's take a look at that. Basically, you charge it like this. Once you have molded, had the solder flowing from where you want to remove the solder, you just point it there and push it, right? All right. Two-piece mini screwdrivers, which I think are these two. All right, one is Phillips. All right. One piece black 22 AWG wire and red 22 AWG wire, which are these, the black and the red. Right. Okay, let me. All right. All right. One set heat sink lubes. It's supposed to be total of 60 pieces. I didn't count them. 5-piece soldering iron tips, which is here. Okay, these are the tips. One piece curved tweezer, just this one. It's actually very handy. Like it. And one piece straight tweezer. This is the one. One piece mini PCB. This is what they're talking about. I don't know whether you can see it well. One piece wrench. Yeah, we had a very small wrench. Where is that? This is the one that fell off in my last attempt to show everything in the board in the back. Okay. One piece soldering paste. Just this. I'll just keep it here. One piece pen shaped screwdriver, which is this. So basically you can open the top and you have all sort of heads. Let me try to show you this. I don't know whether you can see it well. right? So whichever you want, like if I want this one, I can want to use, I can take it and fit it in the front of the pen and then do my stuff, and then I can again take it back. So let me put them back here. Okay, I guess I got them all. Right, what I put it here. Okay, diagonal wear cutter. Okay, this is the one. Good. All right. I got it back. Insulating tape, black, yellow, and red. I'm not taking them out. I think you can see, right? This is the red, black, yellow, and one piece multimeter, the cutter, and the solder wick. All right, that's it. So if you have a question before you're planning to buy and you're thinking, I had this question, I didn't get a video like this, someone explaining exactly what is inside. So that's why I thought I'll make one to help potential buyers to understand what is included, all right, and how they look. All right, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and see you again. Bye bye.